Chuck Pishock, and I'm the president here at Summit Trailers. Summit Trailers was created in 1970 by my father, Charles Pishock. I basically run the everyday operations and oversee the management here at Summit. I'm proud of the fact that we are a quality supplier of equipment in our industry for almost 50 years, and that I've grown up in this business and still continue to have the passion to build trailers and work in the industry. Look for young individuals that are looking to learn and grow and be long-term in a job.
I'm Autumn, and I'm a welder at Summit Trailers. What makes me proud to work at Summit Trailers is I am the youngest one here, and I'm also a girl, and I make pretty good pay here. And I also learned a lot, and it's a good work experience, so if I would ever want to continue forward, it's a very good experience to have. The qualities that high school students should be learning is mostly hands-on work instead of all book work. You should be building or making things or reading blueprints. Some really cool things about manufacturing is that you get to build things hands-on, and you also for the most part, don't need to go to college after school. And a lot of people stereotype it for lower class or something along the lines of that, but in all reality, we need people in manufacturing.
My name is Leo McCune. I'm Vice President of Summit Trailers. I just enjoy seeing a project going from raw material going into something that is made into a product that we value here at Summit Trailers and sell to the public, and seeing it going down the road as I'm traveling wherever it may be. Summit Trailers all over the place. Make me proud to go and be a part of it. There's a lot that goes into manufacturing, from a hands-on aspect to having a background in computer as far as designing the trailers. But mostly a lot of it is hands-on and working with your hands. If you enjoy doing that, it's a great career to go and get into. One thing about having a career in any manufacturing aspect is you got to like what you do. If you don't like what you do, don't do it. You got to like what you do, so pick the correct career that you like doing. If it's like working with your hands, working in computers,